I love touring in the winter, but the dirty roads with all the salt and the grime don't half cover the back of the caravan and the sides as well. You probably can't see it very well from this angle because you'd need to get up close to see how dirty it actually is on the back here. I find that when you're on pitch, you might want to give it a clean, especially if you're putting up an awning to keep that sidewall clean. Or it might be that you're in a storage unit that doesn't have access to a water source. So I've always been looking for something that I can just do a quick clean while on pitch or when I get back home after my travels. So I'm thrilled that I found this product. It's Dry Sparkle. It's a waterless cleaner, and it's biodegradable as well, so it's absolutely safe on the environment. It's very simple to use. They give you 2 microfiber cloths, and all you do, spray it on, just let it settle for a few seconds. With your blue cloth, just give it a really good clean. So unfortunately you can't see this because of the sun being so low this winter. You give it a good clean, and then you take your green cloth, and then you can use that to buff it up and give it a really good shine. Wow, that looks fantastic. What I'll do is I'll do a little bit of a closer up so you can hopefully see the difference between the clean area that I've just done and the dirty area. So as I say, this is Dry Sparkle. This is the Caravan waterless wash, and it comes in a pack with your microfiber cloths. And you can order it from www.drysparkle.com. I am going to do probably a more detailed review of these in my website, www.traveltouringandtrips. I hope you've enjoyed this. And just to let you know, you can also get this product from motorhomes as well. Thank you for watching.